What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $45 to copy and paste links online for free. Now, if that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $45 to copy and paste links online for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos like this. Because I make videos that help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away some free money. So please give me a like, because it really helps out my channel and helps out this video. YouTube love videos with a lot of likes. So please help me and click that like button for me. Now, speaking of free money, I know I said I was going to give away some free money every month. I'm kind of late, so I'm going to go ahead and do that very, very soon. So you need to look out for that, and also put that comment down there if you want to win that free money. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I'm going to tell you more details on the free money giveaway. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. And please watch this. Don't skip anything, and watch every step on this method, because this is the very, very easy way to make some money online. So watch this video all the way through. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. And I'm at the first website. So you probably heard of this website before. And what you're going to be doing on this website is copying and pasting a link. And it's going to be an individual link that is with your name on it, or with your specific code once you sign up with this website. And all you're going to do is just paste this on websites and groups like Facebook groups and forums. And when somebody click on there and buy these products, you're going to get a commission. So you're probably familiar with this. The name of this website is ClickBank. So you're going to be affiliate marketer, and it's free to sign up. And once you go in here, you're going to be able to look at a lot of products. And these are digital products like programs in all different fields. So like arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business, computers, cooking and food and wine, e-business and marketing, education and employment, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, mobile, parenting and families, politics, self-help, software, spirituality, sports, travel. So they have all those categories you could choose from. And you're going to be able to choose any product you want to paste on different websites and different groups and forums. And it's going to have your code or name on that link. When somebody click that link, they buy this product, and you're going to get a percentage. So it's very, very simple. So that's all I'm going to say about this website. You can come to this website and join it. And once you sign up, you'll be able to look at all the categories you want to choose to put on groups. And the groups that you're going to use is like Facebook groups. So for instance, let's say you want health and fitness, which is a popular niche you should use. And you get one of these products here. So you're going to go here and click promote. And it's going to take you to this page here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's going to take you to a page where you'll be able to create your link. And once you get that link, just copy that link. And you can go to a Facebook group that talks about health and fitness. And depends on the rules in those groups, you could just start pasting your link in there, and when somebody clicks on it, you'll get a percentage. So basically that's how that works. And one more tip. When you go in here, you need to don't click on popularity, click on gravity, and it's going to give you the best programs or products that will pay you at a high percentage. So, and these are the ones that are getting the most sales. So that's how this works. And so you're going to become an affiliate marketer, and you're going to paste these links in Facebook groups, and you're going to get paid when somebody buy these digital products. All right, so if you are interested in starting in this, go to clickbank.com. Now I have one more website I want to show you, so let me go to that right now. Okay, I'm at the next website. I've never talked about this website before. And you're also going to be affiliate marketer on here. And this site here is called Share a Sale. And they got actual physical products, clothes for men and women. And so they got all different type of physical products that you will be making money from once they buy it. So as you can see here, they have women stuff. They have caps and shirts, sports merchandise, and just everyday clothing that you wear on a regular basis. So once you go here, you're going to sign up where it says, I want to promote this merchant on my website. So if you have a website, you can do that. Or I want to be one of these merchants. So you could either be one, so you could sell stuff on here if you want to. So once you sign up, they're going to give you a specific link, just like on ClickBank. You're going to take that link, and you can go to different groups on Facebook also that that people that talk about different type of clothes. You can go to like a sports group and say, hey, you want to buy this cap, or you want to buy this shirt, or you're interested, what's your favorite team? And you could buy this, or you could buy that shirt, or you could buy this cap for this NBA team or this NFL team. And you can go to like ladies groups that talk about fashion and say, hey, check out this site. They have different type of dresses and different type of fashionable clothes that have good prices. And just like ClickBank, once they click on it and buy that product, you'll get a percentage of it. So that's basically what this site is for. So if you're interested in starting with this site, go ahead and go to shareasale.com. All right, so now you know how you can earn $45 to copy and paste links online for free. So go ahead and sign up with those websites, start pasting those links, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to the very end. as promised, let me tell you about the free money giveaway. Now, I was supposed to do that last month or at the beginning of this month. I know it's just the second day of March, and I'm going to go ahead and give away the free money to one person. I was trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I didn't quite make it, so I'm just going to give away some money to one person. So I'm going to use the YouTube random comment picker to pick out that comment, and that person will be the winner. Now I'm going to do that in the next video. So please watch the next video to find out if you're a winner. And also, I'm going to announce it on my post on YouTube who's going to be the winner also if that person did not see the video. So please watch the next video. All right. Now, guys, help me get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm not too far away. Like I say, the more subscribers I get, the more subscribers I gain, the more money I'll be able to give away. And I'll be able to do that on a monthly basis. And it's going to increase. So every month, the free money I'm going to give away is going to increase, and I'm going to give away to 2 people. So help a brother out. You could be the next winner. All right, that's all I have for this video. Thanks again. Before you leave, please hit that like button for me and help me to get like 100 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. Also drop that comment down below so you can get a chance to win some free money. And please share this all around the internet, because I'm trying to help everybody I can to make money online and to become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, thank you Grind family. Thank you for checking out all my videos. Please keep watching, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content. All right, that's all I have for this video. One more thing before I leave: get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some other videos, please, until my next one come out. Deuces.
This is App Grind TV.